Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download and install the Binance app on your computer or laptop. It's super quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open your browser. I'll be using Google Chrome. Go to the official Binance website, binance.com. Make sure you're on the real site. It should have the Binance logo and a secure lock icon in the address bar. Once the site is open, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. From the menu, scroll down to Cast, Save and Share, then select Install Page as App. A pop-up will appear, just click Install. Chrome will now install Binance as a standalone desktop app on your computer. After it's installed, you can pin it to your taskbar by right-clicking the Binance icon and selecting Pin to Taskbar for quick access. Now, if you check your desktop, you'll see the Binance app shortcut. Double-click it to launch Binance in its own window, just like any other app. And that's it. You've successfully installed Binance on your computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a comment below and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.